Let us start this meditation by finding a comfortable position or seat, pulling the flesh from beneath you if you are seated, and you can begin to close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Slowly roll your shoulders up, back, and down, bringing the shoulder blades together and relaxing the shoulders as they come down. And with every inhale and exhale, filling your belly fully with a deep breath in and exhaling even longer than the inhale. Allowing the mind and the body to come into stillness. Bring your attention 2 inches below the tip of your tailbone if you are seated, and if you are standing, 2 inches beneath your feet. This is considered our sacred bone, our sacred energetic connection to Mother Earth. Bring your awareness to your sacred bone, and with a deep inhale, cooling this light within it. And as you exhale, envision roots descending through the layers of the earth. Continue to establish this connection with your breath and your roots until it intuitively knows to connect to Mother Earth's womb, the center of the earth. And anchor your roots here. Anchoring your roots deeply within her womb. And on your next inhale, breathing this energetic exchange with Mother Earth's womb up your roots into your sacred bone. And with an intentional exhale, breathing light up the spine and out the top of the head. Doing this 2 more times with your awareness and breath. Now see yourself connected with your roots into Mother Earth's womb and above to the central light of all life, the sun, and create this circle of light and empowerment around you as a funnel or a pillar of light. Within this pillar of light that you stand in the center of, you can quietly, internally cast out all lower vibrational entities, beings, demonic entities, ancestors, children, and lower vibrational parasites out of this circle of empowerment. As commanded by your higher self, your I Am Presence. Now calling in this light of protection to fill all the places and spaces slowly begin to open your eyes, bringing this breath of awareness back into your body. Namaste.